yung maraming hinahanap, right? No? So, ayun yung nakikita ko rito. Kung sino man yung may third party, sino man yung mahilig mag-hook up rito, siya yung maraming hinahanap, no? Nag-e-explore itong tao na to. Super immature person ito, right? No? Kahit sabi mong nasa kanya na tong tao na ito na maganda, sexy naman, right? No? So, 'di ba? But then naghahanap pa rin siya ng iba, no? So, let's see what else, no? What else for you, Aries? So, tignan pa natin what else. Dali lang. So, what else for Aries is what else? Natutumba yung ating ano. So, what else for Aries? Kuha tayo ng one card for you, Aries, no?